Hey everyone, welcome back to Phoenix Digital Portal. Have you ever dreamt of working in the land of rolling green hills, charming pubs, and a thriving tech scene? Well, dream no more. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of sponsored work visas in Ireland. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a bright-eyed graduate, this video is your one-stop shop for navigating the exciting possibilities of securing a sponsored job in Ireland. We'll crack the code on the top in-demand professions, unveil the intricacies of the work visa process, and equip you with the knowledge to confidently launch your Irish job hunt. So, grab a cup of your favorite tea, put on some Celtic tunes, and get ready to embark on your Emerald Isle adventure. Why Ireland? A land of opportunity. Ireland's booming economy and vibrant tech sector are magnets for ambitious individuals from across the globe. The government actively seeks skilled workers to fill critical positions, making sponsored work visas a realistic option for many. Here are some reasons why Ireland might be the perfect fit for you. Thriving tech hub. Dublin is a global tech powerhouse, brimming with multinational giants like Google, Facebook, and Airbnb. This translates to a plethora of exciting tech opportunities, from software engineering to data science. Beyond tech, don't worry if tech isn't your jam. Ireland boasts a diverse economy with strong sectors in finance, pharmaceuticals, healthcare, and engineering, offering opportunities for a wide range of skill sets. Land of innovation. Ireland fosters a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship. This dynamic environment allows you to work at the forefront of your field and contribute to groundbreaking projects. High quality of life. Ireland consistently ranks high in terms of quality of life. Think breathtaking scenery, friendly locals, a rich cultural tapestry, and a well-developed social safety net. Top 5 in-demand jobs for sponsored work visas. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty, the hottest jobs that qualify for sponsored work visas in Ireland. 1. Software engineer. Ireland's tech scene is insatiable when it comes to talented software engineers. If you have expertise in areas like cloud computing, artificial intelligence, or cybersecurity, your skills are in high demand. 2. Data analyst/scientist. The ability to extract insights from data is crucial for businesses of all sizes. Data analysts and scientists with strong analytical skills and programming knowledge are highly sought after. 3. Digital marketing specialist. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, and companies need specialists to navigate the ever-changing online world. If you're a pro at SEO, social media marketing, or content creation, your expertise is valuable. 4. Pharmaceutical and life sciences professionals. Ireland is a global leader in the pharmaceutical and life sciences industries. From research scientists to production specialists, a range of roles are open to qualified individuals. 5. Healthcare professionals. Ireland faces a shortage of qualified healthcare professionals, especially doctors, nurses, and specialists. If you possess the necessary qualifications and experience, obtaining a sponsored visa can be a smooth process. Understanding the work visa process. All right, you've identified your dream job in Ireland. Now, what's next? Here's a breakdown of the Irish work visa process. 1. Secure a job offer. This is the cornerstone of your journey. Focus on crafting a stellar resume and cover letter that highlight your skills and experience relevant to the Irish job market. Network with professionals in your field and leverage online job boards like Jobs.ie and LinkedIn. 2. Employer sponsorship. Ensure your potential employer is willing to sponsor your work visa. Many companies in Ireland actively seek international talent and have experience navigating the sponsorship process. 3. Critical Skills Employment Permit, CSEP. This is the most common type of work visa for skilled professionals. To qualify, your profession must be listed on the Department of Business, Enterprise and Innovation's (DBEI) Critical Skills Occupations List. 4. Employment Permits Online System, EPOS. Your employer will submit your work permit application through the EPOS system. This online portal streamlines the process and provides clear instructions on required documents. 5. Ireland Work Visa Application. Once your work permit is approved, you can formally apply for a work visa through the Irish Embassy or consulate in your home country. Gather all necessary documents, such as your passport, proof of employment, and proof of funds. Pro tips for a smooth application process. Here are some golden nuggets to enhance your chances of securing a sponsored work visa. Highlight your value proposition. Tailor your resume and cover letter to showcase how your skills and experience specifically address the needs of the Irish job market. Research the company culture and demonstrate how you'd be a valuable asset to their team. Brush up on your English. Strong English language proficiency is essential for working in Ireland. Consider taking an English language test like IELTS if necessary. Be prepared for the interview. Research common interview questions in your field and practice your responses beforehand. Be confident, articulate, and enthusiastic about the opportunity. Embrace the relocation process. Moving to a new country can be daunting. Research visa requirements, housing options, and the cost of living in Ireland. Consider connecting with Irish expats online or through social media groups for additional support and guidance. Additional considerations. While sponsored work visas offer a fantastic path to working in Ireland, there are a few additional things to keep in mind. Minimum salary threshold. To qualify for a critical skills employment permit, the offered position must meet a minimum salary threshold set by the Irish government. This threshold varies depending on your experience level. Processing times. Work visa applications can take several weeks to process. Be patient, ensure all documentation is submitted correctly, and communicate effectively with your employer throughout the process. Post-sponsorship options. Once you've established yourself in Ireland and secured a work permit, you may be eligible to apply for permanent residency or citizenship after a certain period. Beyond the top 5, exploring other in-demand fields. While the aforementioned jobs consistently rank high in demand, Ireland's dynamic economy offers opportunities across various sectors. Here are some additional fields with promising prospects for securing a sponsored work visa. Engineering. From civil engineers overseeing infrastructure projects to mechanical engineers designing cutting-edge machinery, Ireland has a growing demand for skilled engineers across diverse disciplines. Financial services. Dublin is a major hub for international financial services companies. If you possess expertise in banking, insurance, or investment management, your skills could be valuable in this thriving sector. Education. Ireland boasts a strong education system, and there's a need for qualified teachers across various subjects, especially in STEM fields. Construction. The construction industry in Ireland is experiencing a boom. Qualified professionals like architects, surveyors, and project managers can find ample opportunities. Hospitality and tourism. Ireland's thriving tourism industry requires skilled professionals in hotels, restaurants, and tourism agencies. Life beyond work, adapting to Irish culture. While career opportunities are a major draw, Ireland offers a unique and enriching lifestyle. Here are some insights to help you adapt to Irish culture. Warm welcomes. The Irish are known for their friendly and welcoming nature. Be prepared to experience genuine warmth and hospitality from your colleagues and new neighbors. Work-life balance. Ireland prioritizes work-life balance. There's a strong emphasis on spending quality time with family and friends. Embrace the opportunity to disconnect from work and explore the wonders of Ireland. So, are you ready to experience the magic of Ireland while building a thriving career? Start your research, polish your resume, and get ready to embark on your Emerald Isle adventure. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content on navigating international job opportunities. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about sponsored work visas in Ireland, and I'll be happy to help.